Greetings, music makers. I'm Dr. Carey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a guide recording to create a multi-track on the Acapella app. In other words, use your favorite recording to sing with as you create your own arrangement. If you would like to see how to collaborate using the app, there's a link down below. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe if you want to receive more videos that teach you how to become a better music maker online. Ring that bell if you want notifications whenever I post a new video. And fist bump that like button for the algorithm so that YouTube will recommend my videos for other people who are looking to become better music makers. So without further ado, let's get ready to learn. The first thing we'll do is open up Acapella. Start a new project. And then record new. We're going to use the classic version. I'm going to choose a format that has 3 tracks. I'm going to select the length of 30 seconds. Push next. Now I'm going to import my guiding track. Select a box. Now I'm going to tap the blue circle so that I can set my input and output levels. You want to adjust your microphone input gain so that what you're singing is picked up by the device. I prefer to keep my volume sound on my right ear only because my microphone is on my left side. I'll exit out of this, and now I can begin setting up my guide track. Click the film button to the right of the record button. Select your background track. It'll automatically play, so tap the video to stop it. Now you want to determine your start and stopping point. I know that there's a 30-second clip that I'd like to use, so I will go to the beginning of it, and then push the start. Now you see it says start 2 seconds. Then I'm going to slide all the way down to about where I think I'm going to end, and I'll tap the video so that I can hear it.
Let's go down, down in the river to pray.
It's going to automatically stop at 30 seconds, but I want it to go a little bit farther. So I'm going to move the slider to where I want it to stop. Now I'm going to push the end button. I can now go back and listen to the whole thing. For the purpose of this tutorial, I know it's going to work, so I'm going to push the green circle up top. It's going to render. Now I'm ready to record my first part. I'm going to click the right box and get started. Since I don't quite know what starting note I'm going to do and how much time I need to breathe, I'm going to listen to it once, so I'll push the record button. It counts me down.
As I went down in the...
Okay. Now I know what note I'm going to start on and how much time I have to breathe. I'm going to record it this time. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the starry crown? Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, sisters, let's go down, come on down. Oh, sisters, let's go down, down in the river to pray. As I went down. I think I did a good job, so I'm just going to push continue. It's going to render and I can listen to it.
As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the starry crown? Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, sisters, let's go down, come on down. Oh, sisters, let's go down, down in the river to pray. As I went down.
I like it, so I'm going to push the green OK. It's going to render. And now I'm ready to record my second part. So I'll push the plus sign. And I'll start recording. Because it's my arrangement now, I get to choose if I want to change anything. So I'm going to actually sing the melody in both parts. I'm going to push record. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the starry crown? Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, sisters, let's go down, come on down. Oh, sisters, let's go down in the river to pray.
As I went down.
I liked it, so I'm going to push OK. I liked it, so I'm going to push continue. Now we got to listen.
As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall...
Because I know it's going to be fine, I'm going to push the OK button. It's going to render. And now I got to play around with the audio. First thing I'm going to do is take out the guiding track. So I'm going to push the second icon on the left, and I'm going to select the guiding track. I'm going to move the volume all the way down to the bottom. Now I'm going to listen to my voices. I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the... I'm going to select my main voice, and I want to add a little bit of reverb so it doesn't sound as tinny. As I went down in the... I'm going to select the harmony part. I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. And I'm going to add some reverb. Now I'm going to listen. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall... I also like playing around with pan, so I'm going to put the left voice a little bit to the left, and the right voice a little bit to the right. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the starry crown? Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, sisters, let's go down, come on down. Oh, sisters, let's go down in the river to pray. I'm going to push the OK button. You can also add a filter to change the visuals. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good... And you can add a border. And you can add a watermark, whether that's a picture or some text. Finally, you're going to want to share that and save it however you want. You can click camera roll to save it to your device or publish it in one of your favorite social media. Don't forget you can also collaborate. Collaboration will allow someone else to take one of your parts and add something new. Well, I hope that video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Comment down below with the one thing that you thought was most helpful, and don't forget to share any music that you created as a result of this video down below, because we want to see the music that you made. See you next time.